Hi guys, Trish here from Chromatical. Welcome to my new studio. Bit excited. This is where you're going to be seeing me all the time from now on. Last year, for my, I think 9 videos, I was wandering around the house, setting things up, and it was really hard and annoying because every time I wanted to film, I'd be like, yeah, filming on Saturday. Saturday is filming day. I'm going to do 3. I would never do 3. I would do 1 if I was lucky, because I'd have to clean the whole house. I'd have to plan what I was doing. I'd have to sort everything out, make sure the dogs weren't running around being psychos, and then when they were, pick up after them again and re-clean the house. You know, I had to make sure Chris was away, or you know, not being, you know, where I needed to film, and everything about it was just an inconvenience. So I dreaded the actual filming part. Loved editing. That I could do anywhere. I could just open my laptop and edit, but filming was a nightmare. So it meant I didn't do as many as I wanted, and it just wasn't fun. And it should be fun. So I was like, I need just a place that's already set up, all ready to go. Just turn on my lights, turn on my audio, turn on my camera, and I can just sit in and film. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is, doesn't matter what, if the house is messy, it doesn't matter anything, because it's all just going to be set up like this forever. Oh, we'll see. But yeah, having a studio, game changer. So I just wanted to introduce it to you a little bit. This is where I'm going to be talking, but also there's going to be a few changes happening in the direction that I'm going. So last year I was very sort of everywhere. I was in and out and showing you all different things, and it was predominantly to do with interiors. But I realized, I felt like I wasn't offering enough value. I was sort of just having fun showing you the things that I love, which I love to do and a lot of people do. But for me, there was something missing. And there's 2 big parts of my life, which is being a creative, writing, photography, making videos, you know, doing all that sort of thing. I've got lots of creative endeavors, but then there's also the marketing side of what I do, which I've done for my creative businesses my whole life. And so for, I guess, the past 10 years, I've been educating myself on marketing, and now I'm a digital marketing specialist for an amazing job, and I proper love it. And I see so many people struggling with it, and a lot of people, mostly friends and family and all that sort of thing, get in touch and is like, what should I do about this? What should I do about this? And the buzz that I get being able to help them, because they're, I can talk to them in a similar fashion, because they're trying to do something creative and try to market it, and I am a creative and a marketer, and I can help. And I will spend like hours working on that, and I will think about it forever afterwards, because it just makes me feel things here. So I really wanted to combine everything that I love, which is creative and marketing, as I said, and hopefully be able to help some of you guys who, whether you've got a business or not, whether you just want to grow your Instagram account, whether you just need that little push and nudge to like want to do something, all sort of things I want to help with. The people that have come to me in the past have struggled mostly because, and I have too, I should say, in the past, especially when it comes to my own businesses, I'm gladly, easily able to help other people. But when it comes to writing about myself, about, you know, making myself sound good, it's hard, because it's yourself and you don't want to sound up yourself. So, but when friends and family have come to me and said, I just don't know what to do here, I'm like, are you kidding? This is freaking amazing, and you don't know how to talk, you know, sell yourself, you know, and people are underselling themselves. They're saying, you know, oh, I'm doing this, I hope you like it, but if you want, but they're amazing, like they're doing amazing things, but they're so nervous talking about themselves and wanting to, you know, post about what they're doing is good, that they're actually missing out on so much that potential. So I really want to grab that and hopefully add all that to these videos, and help these people. Like, I was writing a friend's resume the other day. She sent me one of her resume that she'd been handing out, and she's an amazing person. Like, she's an amazing mum, and she does amazing things, and she's the most positive spirited person ever. She handed me her resume, and it was a completely different person. She was not marketing herself at all. And I just rewrote it all. And she's like, oh my God, is this who I am? And I'm like, yes, are you kidding? And she's just like, oh my God, I would never have known that that's the kind of person that I was. And that's what I want to help with, and that's what I have done in the past. I've taught blogging and social media at Homeschool. I wrote my own course on it. I have done individual one-on-one business tuition and helped people who didn't know the next direction for their businesses to help them grow and move to the next stage, actually see how good they are and what they can do. Because sometimes when you're in your own mind, you're just on autopilot, you're focused, you do the bits that you know are best, but you don't know that extra bit to see actually how everyone else sees you and how good you are and how to say that to other people and where to say it to other people and all that sort of thing. So this resume situation really resonated with me, and I hope that I can grab some of that situation with all of my weird and wacky past of marketing activities and things that I've done, which I'll sort of talk to you about in many other videos, and help, because I have spent the past probably couple of years saying I need to do something. Like, I want to do something good. Like, I love my job, I love what I do, I love my social media, I love chatting to all of you guys, but I want to help. I want to do something, I want to change something, and I've started to do little bits and pieces. And back to that resume thing, when I handed her back the resume, the thank you and the reward that I got from something that she benefited from was just mind-blowing. So comparing that to me saying, look at my cushion, I really love this cushion, for example, like, just talking about homewaresy things, or that sort of thing, which was going to be my main direction, which I still want to do a bit of. I hope you don't mind if I blend some of that in, but that feels right for me, and yeah, that's the direction I'm going to take it in. And so creatives, tune in, this is where I'm going to be. Hope you like my setup. And yeah, thank you for joining me in my first video of 2019, and absolutely can't wait for the next one. Hope you tune in. Hope this wasn't too blah 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 blah. I will get better. That's my 2019 goal. Oh no, my main 2019 goal is to post one video a week. So I'm aiming for every Wednesday night. So I'm putting it out there, saying it to the video camera. It's recorded now. You can hold me accountable. Please don't be mean if I don't do it. I'll be really trying to get one out every Wednesday night. So now I have my studio, I can. So it's 52 videos a year. Oh, let's see how I go. If you've got any goals and stuff that you want to be putting below, doing this year, put it below. I'd love to read them. If there's anything that's like bugging you about marketing, and you're a creative or not a creative, you just want to know some stuff, pop it below. I'd love to hear what you want to hear. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you are excited about the new direction like I am. If you liked it, I'd appreciate so much all the likes and shares and comments and stuff below. It really helps the videos get shown to other people when they're searching, because the lack of engagement tells YouTube it's a bit of a dud video, which I hope it's not. So that would be really, really helpful. And you can find me at chromatical.com.au for anything to find wherever I am, Instagram, Facebook group, YouTube videos, latest ones, blogs, all of the above. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!